Publication results can be filtered by additional factors provided in the APA PsycINFO platform that might not be available through the library's general search. This includes age group, population, and methodology. These filters can be selected on the advanced search page prior to conducting the search or applied as a filter once the results are rendered. Expanding the filter options and clicking on More, we are presented with inclusion and exclusion options. In this example, age groups are broken down in various ranges. When selecting Include, it will add that range to the search. It may slightly decrease the number of results when we add an inclusion variable, while exclusion will have a larger impact, especially if some results include multiple age groups. Population group is limited to subject population group for studies and does not include population demographic groups with specific identities such as race, ethnicity, or sexual orientation. The methodology filter can be especially useful when trying to find specific research methodologies. The same principles apply as discussed earlier when deciding whether to include or exclude a specific methodology for the search results. Publication details will include sections for all of these filter options when applicable.